Hi friends, it's Jay from Sweet Softies here, and I'm going to be giving you a pattern preview of my Petite Panda. It's this cute little baby panda that can sit on his bottom, and he comes from a collection of sitting dolls that I am working on right now. Here are the other two members of this first group I have out. They're all free patterns on my blog, and they can all sit on their bums and make little desk buddies. So be sure to check them out for the free written pattern on my blog. And let's take a closer look at the little panda, the Petite Panda doll. Here's the tiny panda bear. He has little legs poking forward so that he can be seated, and he can support his own body weight, making him a great little desk buddy. He's got a cute little color change here to show that he's a panda. So you can see that his chest is darker. You can make him in traditional panda colors, white and black if you want, or if you want to go for a pastel look like mine, you can use gray and white. I'm sure he'd look adorable in other colors too. And this little guy makes a great keychain or a gift. And the little pieces are all crocheted separately and sewn onto his body directly. So he's a super quick and beginner-friendly project. Here's what he looks like from underneath. I hope you'll enjoy making him. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, his pattern is free on my blog, so be sure to check it out. All right, bye now.